In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Patreon link to your YouTube channel. Connecting your Patreon to your YouTube is a simple way to let viewers support your work directly, and once it's set up, that link will always be visible on your channel. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, head over to your Patreon creator page dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct creator account. This is the page where you manage your tiers, posts, and settings as a creator. We're going to grab the official share link for this page. On your creator dashboard, look for the small three-dot icon next to the edit page option beneath the tabs at the top. This is usually where Patreon hides extra options. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select Share. This will open a panel where Patreon gives you different ways to share your page with your audience. In that share panel, click on Copy Link. Patreon will copy your unique creator page URL to your clipboard. This is the link we want to add to YouTube, so don't worry about memorizing it. Just make sure it's been copied. Now switch over to YouTube and open YouTube Studio. You can do this by going to your channel and clicking YouTube Studio, or by visiting the studio link directly, as long as you're logged into the right channel. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Customization. This is where you control the layout, branding, and basic info that appears on your channel page. Within Customization, go to the section that shows your links. Under Links, click on the option that says Add Link. This will create a new row where you can enter a title and a URL. In the link title field, type Patreon. This is the text your viewers will see on your channel banner, so keeping it simple and clear works best. In the URL field, paste the Patreon link you copied earlier from your creator dashboard. Double check that it starts with HTTPS and that there are no extra spaces. Finally, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish to save your changes. After a moment, your Patreon link should appear on your channel page, ready for your viewers to click and support you.